पाकिस्तानी निजात बरतानवी MP अफजल खान ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान कशीदगी को खत्म करने के लिए बरतानवी हुकूमत की जानिब से किए जाने वाले इकदाम पर शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। बरतानवी पार्लियामेंट से खिताब करते हुए उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, देखिए।
Speaker, I'd like to thank the government for the steps they have taken to de-escalate the tension between Pakistan and India. The world cannot afford for these two nuclear countries to go to war. We all want to ensure the safety and human rights of the people of Kashmir. It is disappointing that the main minister has not said a single word on the question of human rights in his three-page statement. Does the minister agree that there is a role for the United Nations or the other independent parties to monitor and report on the alleged human rights abuses? The Indian government has locked up hundreds of Kashmiri leaders. Does the minister agree that India must remove restrictions on the Hurriyat leadership and accept that Kashmiris are the third party in this conflict?